Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying the drive shows up in Device Manager and noting its drive letter so you target the right device. Once done, back up any readable files. Formatting will erase the disk. Make sure you have admin privileges, a working cable, and a second PC for testing. This saves time if the drive is failing. Now open an elevated command prompt. We'll run diskpart to bypass Windows formatting errors and force a low-level reformat when the GUI fails. You now use diskpart because it talks directly to storage and often succeeds where Explorer fails. First type diskpart, then list disk to identify the DVD as a removable or optical entry. Select the matching disk number and run clean to remove partition data. Once cleared, create partition primary and format fs equals ntfs quick to rebuild the file system. If diskpart reports write errors, run clean all to 0 sectors. This takes much longer but repairs corrupted metadata and forces a full rewrite. Finish by ejecting and reinserting the disk, then test read and write on a second computer to confirm success. Different systems isolate drive versus disk problems. If diskpart clean fails repeatedly, try burning software like imgburn or dedicated resurfacing tools because they can handle bad sectors more gracefully. If multiple disks fail or the drive shows errors on every machine, replace the optical drive or update its firmware. You want to rule out hardware failure before assuming the media is irrecoverable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.